kind of mad. He's kind of being ornery.
That's a big tomcat.
Yeah, you got to make sure you're out of that circle because they're going to lunge at you.
Yeah, you don't look very happy.
What do you think, huh?
That's a big Wisconsin tom.
It's pretty flat on the back.
They're all flat up here. We have bad cats. That'd be bad spots on them too. Be fun to let them go though. Wish we had a tag. Kitty cat. Meow. I don't think he wants to play. This is Brian's first Wisconsin cat. What do you think? What are you gonna do with them? Gonna have some fun letting them go? I think he wants to tear you up.